I'm going to try to show you the problem that we had with ours, which resulted in water all over our kitchen and in our basement. This is supposed to snap in, and you're supposed to just go in like this and push it up, and it's supposed to stay in like that. The top one's fine. So it looks like it's in, right? But it comes loose and drops down, and if you have any kind of pressure, it comes out. So beware. This proprietary connection is a problem. Alright, so I've taken the controller box out. Let me show you the problem with this. So, I don't know if you can hear that or see it, but I'm not depressing it, but that's how much play is in this quick connect, which failed. Now I can squeeze it, obviously, and it completely opens, but it's got enough play in it that it halfway opens with no pressure at all. So under pressure, that does not work and failed.